welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. I hope everyone has had an absolutely wonderful Tuesday. Again, thank you for being here. If you are new, please do consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. And as always, please do give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. As you can see from the description, this pretty pink envelope was in my, did I say here? As you can see from the description, let me just start over. As you can see from the description, this pretty pink envelope was in my mailbox today, and I was super happy. This is one of my favorite subscriptions, and this is our March 2019 Ipsy. For those of you that do not know, Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription. You receive 5 sample size, deluxe sample size, and even full size items for $10 a month. They go now based off of your profile, and they honestly have been killing it. I mean, killing it the last few months. And I know that I've been getting quite a few full size products every month. So I'm like, yes, Ipsy, keep it up, please. So I can't wait to get in here and see what I got for March. So let's dive in. I do know one thing because I did one of their add-ons. They started the, I say started, at least as far as I'm aware, the like $3 add-ons, and it is right here. I saw it, I had to grab it, and it is a little like travel size hand, like perfect for the purse, of the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Boom Boom, however you want to say it, cream that smells amazing. So I had to grab this guy because I love this. I love it. So this was an add-on, and it will be going into my purse. So let's see. Make sure. Yeah, sometimes they put stuff in the bag, in this bag, that doesn't fit into this one. So the bag is super cute. It's like almost Boxy Charms seem to have like a rose gold theme going on, and it looks like Ipsy does as well. This bag is super cute. I really like it. And off she went to change the world. Yeah, that's what I try to do every day. And then a super cute little blue tag here for the zipper. It says Ipsy on it. This is a really pretty bag. All right, for the good stuff. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, I was wondering, because last month was the first month I noticed there was like a really big card inside the pink envelope, and it actually had all the products listed, which was new for Ipsy, and I really enjoyed it. It kind of told you about the items and everything, and that was super great that they started doing that. I loved it. And looks like, okay, we're gonna have the same, but it's just folded. So it is National Women's History Month. It says, to celebrate, we loaded up your March glam bag with female-founded brands and girl boss staples. Learn about these trailblazing founders, plus everything you need to know about your 5 #Ipsy Shiro products on Ipsy.com or the Ipsy app. This one's for all the women out there running the show, making herstory, and helping us look damn good along the way. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So let's open it. And so it does have my products listed. So let's set this right here, and we'll reference when we need to. And I'm just going to pull out. Oh, I saw a little glimpse of something that's gonna make me very, very happy. Oh, this is so pretty. All right, this is the Ciate London Lip Luster, and it says Wildfire. Y'all, this is gorgeous. It's a mini lip luster. That is like so beautiful. I'm really loving this color and the sparkle. Yes, yes, yes. So there is the doe foot applicator. So it is a more definitely clearer, like gloss with the sheen, but it is so pretty. That is so super pretty, and you can't really see it on camera that much, but there is like little, I guess you can, it is sparkling, little super fine specks of glitter, and this is gorgeous. I'm so happy about that, and I love the brand Ciate London. So let's see what it says. Ciate London Mini Lip Luster in Wildfire. The MO of this British beauty brand is using makeup to express your inner beauty. And we're always down for that. Can't read tonight. This vitamin E enriched gloss is non-sticky, silky smooth, and creates a sheer wash of pretty red color you can layer to deepen the shade. Yeah. All right. So yeah, that is like really pretty. I'm very happy. Now, the little thing that stuck out a little bit, I'm going to grab next. I'm so happy. If you know me, you're gonna know what this is without me even having to tell you, because there's one particular item I love getting in any subscription. Get it out of the plastic. And that is a brush. So this is super gorgeous, and again, kind of rose gold. This is the SL Miss Glam Short Shader, and it is just beautiful. It's got the little rhinestones. I really like this. This would be great for going under the eye, or maybe even packing like a really pretty glitter or something on the lid. But you guys, look at this handle. Oh my gosh. I love it. So that's full size. So yeah, yay Ipsy. And I think I've gotten a brush every month for the last 4 or 5 months. So yeah, I'm definitely down with that. And I love this. This is so pretty. All right. So 2 for 2 so far. Let's see what it says. SL Miss Glam SS62 Short Shader Brush. YouTuber and beauty guru Stephanie Lewis created this line of high quality synthetic brushes that look so pretty in our brush jar. Whether you want a subtle or smudgy, smoky eye look, this brush is your go-to. Plus the glitter handle is simply adorbs. And it is. So let's see this. What are you? What are you? Skin Iceland Solutions for Stressed Skin. Well, welcome to, yeah, welcome. Limited edition berry lip fix with wintered red algae. So there is that guy. Let's see. Skin Iceland Berry Lip Fix. This brand's products are made to heal, relieve, and replenish stressed out skin. Made with wintered red algae, almond oil, and shea butter, this berry-scented lip balm nourishes dry, chapped lips and coats them in long-lasting moisture. Awesome! I love a good lip balm, and something like this that is for stressed out, dry skin is gonna be awesome, I'm sure. So I'm very happy about this little guy. So yes, I just saw the like reflection here of my highlighter, and I'm telling you guys, I'm loving it. I did obviously a very simple look. I don't even have eyeshadow on. I just did my face, some lipstick, and just some eyeliner. This is actually from the Cover FX palette, face palette that was in Boxy Luxe, the blush, the highlighter. Love it. Love it. This is the lighter of the 2 shades of the highlighter that I used. And it's just like, it caught my attention. So it's doing its job, I guess. Let's see. Y'all, are you for real right now? Shut your mouth. Are you serious, Ipsy? I'm so glad I decided to go ahead and open this. Like, are you kidding me right now? Okay, so obviously my brush is full size. And like I said, I have been getting quite a few full-size items lately in Ipsy. This one actually kind of blows my mind because I know that the cost of this is rather high. This is a full-sized Ofra highlighter, y'all. Can we... It is in Star Island. It is beautiful. I love Ofra highlighters. Y'all. Oh my gosh. This, for real? A full-size Ofra highlighter in my Ipsy bag? And that is gorgeous. Oh, I just love that formula. Ofra Cosmetics Star Island Highlighter. Ofra Giotto, I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, founded Ofra Cosmetics to channel her love of makeup and skincare through innovative, high-performance formulas. Like this highlighter. The silky formula is infused with pearl pigments to illuminate your features, so you're left with an incandescent glow. Y'all, a full-size Ofra highlighter? Wow. I hear you, Ipsy. All right. So we have one item left. Oh, okay. This is a single eyeshadow. It is from IBY Beauty, and I'm guessing it is from their City Limits palette. The box is super cute, and it is in the shade Headliner. Now, I am going to take it out to show you guys. I am not going to swatch this because I have this palette, so I will set this little guy aside for a future giveaway. But I just want to show you guys. This is so cute. Okay, so there is the outer packaging. Beautiful. It's a like taupey shimmer shade. So beautiful. So like I said, not gonna swatch it. I'm gonna put it right back in this little box, and this guy will be going to one of you in a future giveaway. Like I said, I have this palette and I really do enjoy it. So one of you hopefully will enjoy this shadow. If I can close the box back. There we go. So, all right, let's see what this says. The IBY Beauty eyeshadow and headliner. This velvety powder shadow is a staple in our kit for creating a cut crease or using as a transition shade, I cannot read, for a smoky eye. What's more, the formula is vegan, free of talc, mineral oil, parabens, and is infused with rose hip seed oil to help protect the delicate skin on your lids. So, we got the cute little City Limits single eyeshadow, like I said, going to the side for a giveaway. We have the Skin Iceland limited edition berry lip fix. So like a really nice lip balm. I'm very happy for that. The beautiful eye brush, super, super pretty. This really beautiful Ciate London mini lip luster. Love this. And a full size, y'all, I still just can't get over, a full size Ofra highlighter. Like I said, go ahead, Ipsy, I hear you. So that was my Ipsy bag for March 2019. What did you guys think? I know I'm super pumped, super excited. A brush, a full-size Ofra highlighter, 2 great lip products, and then a cute, beautiful little lip eyeshadow for one of you guys. So let me know down below what you thought, what you guys got. Did we get any of the same items? Let me know. I hope you all have a fabulous evening, and I will see you guys with the next video. Bye.